got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop, stop, stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you.
And honored to have Mr R Bhudai with us today. I would best describe him as a philanthropist rather than a successful businessman. His unwavering support for our school, its learners, staff, and community has been recorded for close to over 2 decades. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Mr. Bhudai. May I come up?
Today I gave the chicken biryani to students. I cannot tell you to help us that Mr. Bhudai, why didn't you add more rice? Full of chicken. And that's how I do it. I give it in abundance. And I don't give this to see. As you see today, whatever I have to offer, instead of the table share, chair covers, table covers, table, etc. Because I also believe, apart from doing what we do, our presentation is very, very important. And as you can see, I'm overdressed, I'm feeling out of place because I expected a separate manager, unemployment department, so I thought maybe I have to put in there. I must say that I do not only cater for the learners. Every occasion I cater for the teachers, the educators, the staff, whoever was, including the lady at the kitchen and her sister. Apart from feeding the learners, my feelings to me, I say, I assisted in building the kitchen and the new block. I was involved when the opening of the kitchen took place. At the beginning of every year, I was called to finance the purchase of the spices for the kitchen, for whatever it could be in the course of the year. And I gladly gave funds to buy the spices, so that the learners' food were cooked and the girls see the food on a daily basis. I also made a contribution when the ground had been excavated. I have a floating trophy in the name of my family trust, the family trust, which normally the neighbor responsible. I was a guest of honor a few times in the school over the last 20 years. Apart from my program of Clareville Private School, I also support the school in King George Hospital. And that came out after going to Clareville Private School. Mr. R introduced me to Mrs. Singh, who was the school principal. And that came out because every time I prepared, I always prepared extra. Apart from preparing extra, we had quite a few absent students. So instead of the food going to waste, we gave some learners 2 shares and the rest went to give. At the moment at King George Hospital is school for about 40 orphan AIDS victims. So that school was sponsored by a French company and they went to Incubator about 7 years ago. And I was approached. Ever since I think the teacher's salary to teachers. At the moment I reached to get them educated 4 days a week. I initially started 2 days a week, just to keep the program going. The day after I increased to 3 days and I got 4. Soon I increased to 5 days, 5 days. I also give food passes to Gardenia Primary School for the great art students every day for scholarship. I also support the Spring Day Soccer Club. And I own a building in Clareville called the Play Center. When I bought the building, I offered a 10% society free rental, light and water for life, for as long as I own the building. It's called a street that I size my money. I also sponsored the Navratri prayer, which will take place a couple of weeks time. Every year I pay for the priest to come to Sri Lanka to perform the prayer. This year we held at this once. So if anyone wants to join, you're welcome. I can give you the details. At the moment, I think everyone knows those who call it as a mob movement, the back. I sponsor the daily milk, bread and eggs for all the people. Today I prepared lovely mutton biryani, dal and veg biryani, soji, and I wish that everyone enjoyed and partake in it. I must thank the principal and brothers for affording me this opportunity to serve them. May God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhudai. You will be blessed.
Thank you.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Kati and his guest from from Bushlem. Okay, help me, Mr. Vidya. Bushlem Pundo. There we go. Bushlem Pundo, secretary. Thank you for joining us. We've come to almost the end, and I would like to call Nancy, who's our foundation phase departmental head, to do the vote of thanks.
sweets due. On behalf of Clareville Primary, so on behalf of the principal, I'm going to do that again, on behalf of the principal, the learners, the staff, the SG, I take this opportunity to extend a heartfelt thanks to Mr. R Bhudai for giving the learners those hampers, and I'm sure they thoroughly enjoyed those hampers. And also for bringing us all here together over the sumptuous meal. Mr. R Bhudai, thank you very much. We are glad to have you now midst. May God bless you. To the SGB, thank you so much for the refreshments that you have given, and it's going to enhance the meal we are going to have. A huge thank you also goes out to the Master Trading Company and the Daru family, who have sponsored us 5,000 Rand and 3,000 Rand respectively, which was secured by 2 educators on our staff, Mrs. Emily and Mrs. Bhudai. Thank you, educators, for having brought that on behalf of those companies. I would also like to thank our esteemed guests that have come here today. You've taken off from your busy schedules to be here to grace our function this afternoon with your presence. Thank you. On behalf of the Fund War Committee, I would like to say thank you to each and every member of staff for contribution and support. And also, not just thank you, our gratitude and appreciation for what you've done. Each and every one of you, for your support you've given us throughout this event, throughout this function. Had it not been for you and without you, this function would not be a success. Thank you all very much.
Okay, now we've come to the part we've all been waiting for. Lunch. We're really, really hungry. So it will be served. Please enjoy the rest of the afternoon lunch. Thank you very much.